The first night at Juan's property sure was eventful. We went from spotting blinking lights in the sky to literally running after them, and then running into the cops.
It's the police.
Juan explains some of his theories of how the drones seem to detect your heat and then go up to disappear.
You think they'll detect us?
Yeah, he'll detect your heat. We gotta stand behind the shed.
Okay.
Watch. If he detects you, he's gonna go up.
I gotta keep my eyes on this guy. Yeah, my phone can't see anything.
Look, he detected already.
Oh, now it's going up.
Yeah, it's going up. Once he detects you, it goes up. If you don't have like a heat reflective blanket, it's not gonna do it. It's gonna go up now.
And what happens when it goes up?
It just goes up, so you don't record them and you can't see them, and your camera gets blurry. Can't see him well. See, he's not that far away. My laser can't do nothing to it. See? He's not coming here. He's gonna fly somewhere else.
He's just gonna go up.
Yep.
And how far away do you think that is?
Right now, maybe, I don't know, 300, 400 feet? This is a 2-mile range laser. Okay, this is a 2-mile range laser. Look, nothing.
I wish I could see it better.
At one point, I don't have it on film, he shines his laser at a bright glowing object, and then the light just goes completely out. Without properly being acquainted with Flight Radar app on my phone, I can't say for certain that any of these were actually UAP. He takes me for a drive to an abandoned college where we pass a military Humvee on a desolate road that seemingly leads nowhere.
Just a big empty lot?
Mm-hmm. This is part of the college.
Oh, the abandoned. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Okay.
As we sit in an abandoned parking lot, we get rolled up on.
This is the Humvee.
Yeah.
What's going on now?
We'll find that out.
It's the police.
Yeah.
What's up?
All right.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're fine. Yeah.
All right, just making sure.
Okay. Cool. Yeah.
You see?
No problem, guys.
Okay.
Huh?
Kind of freaked me out.
Yeah. I mean, we're not doing nothing anyway.
I mean, yeah, we're looking at the sky. I mean, what? You can't look at the sky?
Huh?
Is this a free country or what?
We aggressively chase weird lights just above the tree line in Juan's pickup truck.
Fuck, what the fuck is that, dude? Holy shit. What the fuck?
It's going over the trees.
It landed?
Did it land?
Fuck, where it went?
It seemed really low.
Dude, where it went? Did it land? Oh, God, where is it at?
Wait, is that it? Through the trees?
My boy lives here, my friend.
Eventually, all the excitement wears on me, and it's time for me to go to bed.
What the fuck?
I know there will be many more UAP chases in the near future.
I'm gonna show you around a couple things. I don't know how to get closer to these things.